Good morning, judges and everyone. We are Lee Cherry and Joey Won from Gyeongsat Chapel. Our team name is Lotus Voice, 연꽃소리. Today, we'll share a story that teaches wisdom too. It's called The Walnut Tree. Once upon a time, there was a caravan leader. He traveled from a country to country, selling many goods. His caravans were huge, about 500 bullock carts. That's almost like a moving city. One day, his path led through a very thick forest. Before entering, he gathered everyone and warned them. He said, "My friends, this forest has poisonous trees and fruits. Be careful and don't eat anything strange." Near a small village, there stood a tree called the walnut tree. It looks just like a mango tree. Same smell and same color. The date of fruit, but it wasn't a mango tree at all. Its fruits were deadly poison. He looked carefully and said, "No, this may look like a mango tree, but it is a poisonous walnut tree. Don't even touch it." Oh no, the people who ate the fruits must have been scared. Some were saved, but sadly, the greediest ones couldn't be. The poison already killed them. That's really sad. They lost their precious lives because they ignored the leader's warning. The survivors were shocked and asked, "Oh, wise one, how did you know this wasn't a mango tree?" And the leader said, "I knew it for 2 reasons. First, this tree is easy to climb. Mango trees aren't. Second, it is next to a village. If the fruits were safe, the villagers would have picked them already." Everyone was amazed by his simple but powerful wisdom. Now, judges and everyone, we should listen to good advices from people who care about us, our teachers, parents, and friends. And we should listen carefully to the Buddha's teachings. That's the wisdom we want to share. We are Team Lotus Voice, 연꽃소리.